Welcome to SMA2 Banda Aceh, Indonesia. SMA2 Banda Aceh was built in 1963 and located in Darussalam and was known as SMA Darussalam. But in 1977, because of the conflict happening in Aceh, the government decided to remove SMA Darussalam to Tuanku Hashim Banta Muda Street, Kampung Mulia. Ever since, SMA Darussalam is known as SMA2 Banda Aceh. In 2004, tsunami hit every infrastructure in SMA2 Banda Aceh, such as library, classroom, and even the teacher's room was being hit by a boat that was 30 meters long. Tsunami also left so many heartbreak, not only for the students, but also for the teachers. It is estimated that 600 students and 19 teachers who died in that tragedy. According to the witnesses, the height of tsunami waves that attacked SMA2 Banda Aceh reached almost 4 meters. Because of this condition, the school activities were stopped for a while. Not so long after that, as the school was badly damaged, the authorities ordered the teachers and the students to study temporarily at another school in the afternoon. In 2006, the school activities started, but in emergency condition. Time by time, because of the support from many countries around the world, SMA2 Banda Aceh rise up and become one of favorite schools in Banda Aceh. Every Monday, the students and the teachers are obliged to attend the flag ceremony in order to respect people who has sacrificed their soul and their energy to fight for Indonesia's Independence Day. Every day, the school activities start from 7:30 a.m. until 5 p.m. in the afternoon. On Friday and Saturday, every student is obliged to join the extracurricular classes such as basketball club, dance club, English club, soccer club, and many more. The students can freely choose their extracurricular classes based on their talent. The extracurricular classes are being organized by professional teachers in each aspect. Nowadays, SMA2 Banda Aceh has a lot of talented students with different ability to compete with students from other schools. It has been proven that SMA2 Banda Aceh has achieved many awards and won a lot of championships in many events at different levels, nationally and internationally. We would like to say thank you to every country that has been there for us during our hard time. Those who have given us many helps and supports so that our school become one of favorite school in Banda Aceh. Terima kasih. Thank you.
Arigatou gozaimasu.